Hello there, welcome to another video. We've been basking in some lovely hot weather the last 4 or 5 days in the UK, and tonight the forecast is a thundery breakdown, as they call it. In other words, lots of thunderstorms. I haven't seen any on the radar around this area. Most of them have been in mid Wales and England at the moment, but I'm hoping if I pitch up near the coast with a nice wide view here of the first Severn crossing, Prince of Wales Bridge as it's now known, hopefully I'll get lucky and get some lightning. Fortunately the station, Severn Tunnel Junction, is only a 25-minute cycle away from here. You can get off at Caldecott, which is a bit closer. Right, it's just gone past 7 o'clock. I've got about an hour and a half of good light left. I'm going to set my tarp up and hope I do a good job of it, particularly if it does get stormy. Well, it's not the most typical setup, the way you see other YouTubers doing it, but I just thought I wanted a door at the back to stop the wind blowing in, and it works. I can feel the warmth in here compared to being out there. I like the height. Need to pin this down, otherwise it's just going to keep bugging me. It's lumpy, but there are bits that are nice and soft too. Yeah, I'm liking this. It'll be noisy tonight because of the traffic, but if we get a storm, I won't be hearing that at all, will I? Fingers crossed. I could go further, but I won't. Not today. Bit of a jump. Looks like some other people are enjoying the same game. The reason I've waited until really late to start cooking is because there were lots of walkers around, and they were all very lovely, but I didn't want them smelling what I'm going to be cooking right now, to be honest, because they would probably want some. I've got my Fire Dragon mini cooker. I do have another one of these somewhere. I think it's in my bag or under the tarp. But this should give me about 8 minutes of cooking. And because it's so calm here this evening, maybe 9 or 10. Take that with me, don't worry. Okay. Now, for some inexplicable reason, I can't find my other fuel tablet, which is, well, would be a worry, but I do have my Trangia. Screw it. Unfortunately, I didn't bring onions, but I'm fine with just the sausages. I'm really looking forward to these. By there. What am I doing? Off you go. Oh, that's so good. It's such a lovely, calm evening. Total opposite from what I expected. But there we go. It's all about getting out there and doing something, isn't it? I'd never been here before. I'm glad I found it. I'll definitely be back in the future. And yeah, appreciate you watching another video. See you soon. This ladybird hitched a lift with me on the train from Severn Tunnel Junction, and it stayed with me on the bike all the way into town. I'm holding the bike near some flowers in the hope that my hitchhiker will vacate my bike. Doesn't want to leave. See what I mean? Doesn't want to leave. It's finally gone.